So today I'm going to talk about the super smart society 5.0 and the roles of blockchain technology to develop such society. Okay, what is society 5.0? Society 5.0 was proposed in the fifth Science and Technology Basic Plan of the Japan Cabinet Office as a future society that Japan should aspire to. And Society 5.0 follows the Society 1.0 hunting and gathering, Society 2.0 agriculture, Society 3.0 industrial, and now is Society 4.0 information science. And currently we are researching and developing for Society 5.0, also known as the super smart society. Okay, what is the definition of the Society 5.0? It is defined as a human-centered society that balances economic advancement with the resolution of social problems by a system that highly integrates cyberspace and physical space. Okay, so what is the economic advancement and what is the resolution for the social problems? The firstly, that would be the demand for energy increase. Therefore, we need to develop the system for reduce the greenhouse gas emissions. The next will be the demand for foodstuffs increase. Therefore, the resolution will be to increase the production and reduce the loss of foodstuffs. We need to build a system to achieve those targets. The next is the lifespan is longer and the aging society, especially in Japan, now is the aging society. Therefore, it result to a shortage of the labor cost. Therefore, we need to develop the system to reduce the cost associated with the aging society. The next is international competition becomes serious. Therefore, we need the system and society that promotion of sustainable industrialization by using the high technology. And then the problems of the concentration of wealth and regional inequality are growing. Therefore, we need the system should be participate on redistribution of wealth and correction of the regional inequality. Okay, so how the society 5.0 works. Let's look at this picture and this picture. This is the current information society 4.0 and this is the future society 5.0 that Japan is aspired to. Do you see the difference? Yeah. The first one is here in society 4.0. The data in the physical space are stored in the cyberspace, but stored and managed in a centralized manner. Okay, each application or each service, they store and manage their own data. There's no very lack of data sharing among the service and applications. But in society, because we want to improve the efficiency and the autonomous, therefore we need to share the data amongst application and service. The shared data should be taken in the cyberspace. And you see in the physical space, there's many application and service. For example, the autonomous driving, AI, or the robots. This system, they have their own data, and the sensor will collect the data and send the data to the cyberspace. In the cyberspace, the AI technology or big data will analyze and extract the useful data to feed back to the physical space to govern and control this system autonomically. To increase the efficiency, the data here should be shareable amongst the application in here. Therefore, the shared cyberspace is an important thing of, to develop the Society 5.0. And the blockchain
Some
is one of the
examples of the
candidates
Society
to develop
5.0.
such a
Okay,
secure
first
and
let's
shared
look at this.
cyberspace. Yes, because we are in the aging society, you see this very old man stay in home, and because we are shortage of labor cost, therefore the system that developed the drones to deliver the stuff in house. Okay, and the next would be the robots. We use the robots to help human in the heavy task job, or we use the AI engine will help the human to analyze the data and extract the useful information for human. So the human don't need to yes analyze a bunch of a lot of data. Okay, and the next example would be the IoT technology to collect the data and send the data to the human, so that's they have sufficient data to generate a new value. Okay, so another example would be in the aspect of the healthcare service. Yes, we prevent examination and the robot supported caregiving. We use robots and AI to care the elderly people. Okay, and another aspect could be we use a satellite or apply the satellite or drones or the robots to apply into agriculture. Yes, to automating the agricultural industry and optimal the home delivery. We develop the system to support the home delivery. And another would be the robots, a lot of robots to optimal the value chain and automatic production by robots. To finally achieve a sustainable industrialization and eliminate the manual shortage. And another would be the energy diversification and local production for stable supply of energy and reduce the greenhouse gas, for example, something like that. Okay, and the goals of Society 5.0. As you know that Society 5.0 is a human-centered society. Everything should be support for human. So it benefits everyone regardless of age and gender. Men, women, young or old people can get the benefits from this society. And this society should help the labor, the employees use their time efficiently. And also this system they bring a more convenient and safe and secure life for humans. And everyday life is happy and fun. Maybe we are some people's lonely, they can get happy and fun with the participant of the robots, for example. Yes, comfort, vitality, high quality lives is the target, the goals of Society 5.0. Okay, so you may know about the Toyota Govan City, right? Yeah. So this is an example of the Society 5.0 that Toyota Corporation planned to build a prototype of city near the Fuji mountain in Japan. So for more information, you can search in the internet about Toyota Govan City. And you can get more information about it. Yes, thank you so much. Listening.